Hi friends, I hope you're doing well today. Um, Here's a short overview of the Gospel of Mark, chapters 1, 2, and 3. And wow, what an ending to the Gospel of Matthew, and quite the start to the Gospel of Mark. It begins with Jesus' baptism, and it's different from all the other Gospels because this will feel very fast-paced. As we'll read in all three chapters, there will be instances of Jesus teaching a lot, Jesus healing a lot, Jesus counteracting or disputing a lot of the teachings that the religious leaders of that time had. The Pharisees are asking him certain questions and Jesus responding in certain directions. One of the examples is that in one of the chapters we read, there's John the Baptist's disciples and the Pharisees' disciples who are fasting, and Jesus' disciples are not fasting. And so Jesus questioned, why are your disciples not fasting? And pay close attention to what Jesus responds. What is he revealing about his character, his personality, who he is? We'll read a couple of instances regarding Sabbath, healing, and Jesus revealing, a lot of the things that religious leaders should have known already regarding Sabbath. This whole question that they ask, why are you healing on Sabbath? And pay attention to Jesus' response to that. And then we'll fast forward along a few more instances of healing, Jesus continuing to teach. And even though Jesus is teaching a lot in different places, he is telling people to keep his name in a private way. He doesn't want his fame to expand just yet. He keeps saying, keep things private, keep things here. I want you to focus. Why is that? Why does Jesus want to keep what he is doing and who he is private? As we move along, we'll read the encounter of Jesus' family approaching, similar to the Gospel of Matthew, and pay attention to what Jesus says. Who is his family? Is he denying his actual mother and siblings? Or is Jesus trying to say something else? And I hope that as we embark on this journey of the Gospel of Mark, it can be meaningful and we can learn a lot, regardless of how fast-paced this Gospel might seem.